Joshua?
Ma'am?
Please come here at the front, Joshua. So, bagsak ka sa subject ko. Here, let's look at your grades.
Ano po ba ang gawin ko, ma'am, para makapasa, ma'am?
Kailangan mo lang ipasa yung final exam natin. Pag di mo yun napasa, alam mo.
Sige po, ma'am. Gawan ko ng paraan.
Okay, hindi natin.
Habol.
Sige.
Habol. Yan. Pwede yan.
Samid.
Yan.
Oy, Josh!
Ika, laro tayo ML.
Oo nga, sali ka, Josh. Tara, Josh. Sali ka.
Sige, sali ako.
Yan gusto ko.
Teka lang nga, open mo na ako.
Sige.
Nice game.
Tara, Josh. Isa pa, laro tayo.
Sa susunod na lang, bro. Maliit kasi ang marka ko.
Sige, Josh. Nice game.
Nice game.
Nice game.
bro.
Nice game.
Sige.
Laro pa tayo.
Sorry.
Watch where you're walking next time.
Wow. Math notes mo to? Ang ganda naman.
Yeah, pinaghirapan ko gawin yan.
Tika. Ikaw yung bagong transfer, di ba?
Same section.
Yes. Section. Sa pagkita.
Yes.
Pwede pa hiram? Nahihirapan kasi ako sa mga equations.
Sure, just don't mess that up. Kailangan ko pa yan sa exam tomorrow.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
CJ, alam mo ba paano ito? Yung receipt. Dito. Mali yung assignment operator na ginagamit mo. So dapat plus pala.
Yes, addition.
Ay, oo nga pala. Pinahiram mo pala yung math kay Joshua. Oo. Nakita-kita kahapon. Tinulungan ko siya.
Guys, please, huwag kayong ma-issue. We're here to study, okay?
Pwede nga.
Right kami.
Yes, okay.
Do you know why I called you here? So yesterday you were absent, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
We had a reporting. I'm supposed to be. It's your final written exam and your final project. But because you were absent, and I won't accept any excuse letter in medical, hindi mo mapapasa yung subject ko. I'm sorry, you have to repeat it next year. Gusto mo bang pumasa sa subject ko?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will send you a form. You'll fill it up, and your project will be there. I want you to pass it next week by Wednesday. On time. Okay, that's it. You make
sa mga gagawin kong project.
Yo, Kati, what's up?
This science project is killing me. I don't get it at all.
Okay, let's bring it down. Hindi naman ako magaling sa science pero tignan natin to. Tignan mo itong app oh.
Wait,
Nandito ang
wait.
mga
You're helping me? Thanks, man.
tinulungan naman ako ni CJ sa math. So consider this as a good deeds for the day.
Laro tayo gabi ng ML.
Pas muna. May paparating akong exam. Kailangan ko munang mag-aral.
Sabi ko maglaro tayo.
Bitiwan mo ako ba? Sabi, bitiwan mo ako.
Anong ginagawa niyo? Kung ayaw mo tumigil, isusumbong kita.
Isang laro lang naman.
Okay na lang.
Okay lang ako. Wala lang to.
So class, who can give me the formula for the Spearman-Ross correlation? Okay, Joshua. Can you explain?
P or R equals 1 minus 6 and equal this squared divided by 8 cubed minus N.
Okay, very good, Joshua. So, class, are you ready for your final examination? Okay, Mr. Valencia, please listen to me.
Morning's done, the day is won. Sun against it and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. Stir it slow, let the
Hey CJ, parang mabigat yan ah. Let me help you.
Oh, it's you, John.
Okay, if you insist.
I find the magic in the everyday. From the sweetest sips, sun steps away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me.
Fuck it, go in. Y'all wanna shoot? Come on! Come on! I need everybody in this motherfucker! Yo, 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 hello, yo, yo, yo. Run the show. Back it up, back it in. Let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't recycle. Hope you better back.